Hi everyone, welcome to Akru's Lifestyle. So today I'm going to be sharing a very useful tip with you regarding how to swim during your periods. So recently me and my husband went for a vacation during Diwali to Andamans, and we had already booked all our flights like 2 months prior, and so that we would get it cheaper. But what happened was unfortunately I got my periods during my vacation time. So since it was to Andamans, there was a lot of beach activities which I wanted to take part in, but I was worried about how I would do it with my periods at that time. So yeah, I browsed for a lot of hacks that I could use, and this was one thing that I found very useful, and I tried and tested it during my trip, and it worked magic for me. So yeah, this is what I'm talking about. So this is actually a menstrual cup from Sanfe. So I ordered it before leaving for my trip. So it also came with two washes. One is a cup wash and another one is an intimate hygiene wash. So yeah, this is how the cup looks like. So since I'm married and I haven't had a child yet, I went for a medium size cup, and if you can see, it's very flexible, and yeah, like you can use it during your periods. So actually I put this on and I went ahead in my vacation, and it kind of helped me hold all my period blood here. And actually I even did scuba diving with this, and there was absolutely no issues at all. So this was very helpful, and all you need to have is a menstrual cup, and along with that you can have a non-fragrant wash which you can use to wash this. And how you should use this is when you start your periods, you just put this in boiling hot water and leave it aside for a couple of minutes, and then take it out using clean hands and use it. And during the day, if you I would suggest you kind of empty and use it again, and clean it and use it again in let's say in 4 to 6 hours gap. That's how I did it. And yeah, you can wash it or just using water when you're outside. You can just take it out, empty the contents, and actually wash it using the cup wash or any non-fragrant wash that you have, and then just insert it back and go ahead using it. So yeah, this actually made my trip really seamless, and there are a lot of videos on how to use this. I'll actually explain you the trick that I used. So since I was using it for the first time, I tried actually using the pinch hold method, where you kind of actually have to pinch this and hold it down, and you actually hold it this way, so that if you can see it is the mouth of it has become really small, and you just have to relax and put it inside your vagina. And once it has reached inside, you just have to leave this grip and it opens. So this creates a vacuum, and it kind of gets inside and keeps holding there, and it collects all your menstrual blood. And during the time when you want to take it out, you just reach for it using this tip that they've given. You slightly pull it out, and you kind of pinch it down here to release the vacuum and take it out. And yeah, that's how you use it. It's really simple and it's very useful. So I thought I would share this with you guys. So while using it for the first time, I had a lot of concerns regarding its safety and whether my body will accept it and things like that. So yeah, one quick tip I found out was that it's always safe to use it for less than 8 hours at a stretch. So once you reach the 8-hour mark, you just take it off, clean it, and then use it back again. And one thing that you should absolutely keep in mind is at all the time keep your cup really clean. So even a normal water wash would do when you're outside. So that's something that you should really take care of. And yeah, with all holidays and everything coming up, and if you guys are planning for a trip, and if your periods is giving you a hard time, then I think this is really a good solution for that. And yeah, I've given the link for this item in the description box below, so you can check it out. And yeah, I hope this was useful for you guys, and if you like it, please comment, share, subscribe and give a thumbs up. Thank you all. Bye bye.